4 red flags when you're viewing a home. Number 1, the roof. Find out the age and the material as they have different lifespans. A new roof can cost you between $8,000 and $50,000. Number 2, mature trees. As beautiful as they are, if they're growing over top of your septic lines, root intrusion can be a huge cost. Run the water when you're viewing the home. Low water pressure can be a sign of plumbing issues to come. Number 4, a reliable HVAC unit. The typical lifespan is about 10 to 30 years.
Yeah, and if you're doing business virtually like I do, a couple things you want to look at is you want to look at the photos, you want to look at the ceiling, see if you see any water damage. Look under the windows, look under the doors, see if you see any wood rot there or any issues from inside and outside. And also look around the roof area underneath and see if there's any water damage there. Those things you really want to look at. And if you're looking at a property that you're looking to sell it through a seller financing or lease option that I like doing, and it's older than like 15 years, I like to also purchase home warranty for the first years because they're going to be putting the large down payment. They're not going to have a lot of capital left over, and so you don't want to run into that issue. So those are things that I kind of recommend, and everything that she said as well. So if you like what you hear, follow me for more, like and share. Thank you.